Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Sunit Malhotra. Welcome to my channel. I am right now at Gokarna. I've just visited two of the main tourist spots, Vibhuti Falls, and before that the Yana Caves. Right now I'm heading to a place called NIRVANA Beach where we'll be doing some night strolls. So stay tuned on this episode for an entire visit to the NIRVANA Beach at Gokarna. I'll share a link here somewhere, I don't know which way, this way maybe, for a visit to Vibhuti Falls. Now NIRVANA Beach is a bit far from the main Gokarna town. There's two ways you can reach to the NIRVANA Beach. One of them is either drive all the way to the beach, which is the longer route, or you can go to a place called Tadri Port, where you can take a ferry which will cruise you down in 15 minutes to the other end. You can then drive all the way to the NIRVANA Beach. That's a shorter route. That's the one we're going to take. Yeah, so let's find out.
It took us less time than we thought to reach the NIRVANA Beach. On the way, we did visit some of the other beaches of Gokarna, which were pretty scenic. Then we took the ferry, which was about 10 minutes ride. I had my first ever ferry ride, so it was pretty amazing.
That was my ferry ride to the other side of the island so that I could reach the NIRVANA Beach. Now I only have to ride for like 6 kilometers from this point and I'll be at the NIRVANA Beach.
The 6 kilometers were mainly the off-roads, and I enjoyed every bit of it.
I don't know how far can you see. There's the beach. Sunset almost over.
Well, we missed the sunset by a few minutes, and due to the bad light condition I couldn't shoot, so let's jump to the next morning.
Well, welcome to the NIRVANA Beach, one of the most secluded beach near Gokarna. The reason it is so quiet and secluded and not yet so commercial is because it's on the other side of the island. This is one place which is a must visit, especially in the night. This place gets really quiet and pretty awesome. You can go for a walk as much as you want, stay the whole night outside at the beach. It's your choice. That was my visit to the NIRVANA Beach. There is a fort nearby called the MIRJAN Fort. If you visited this part of the town, do visit that fort. I'm gonna go next at the MIRJAN Fort now.
Well, the fort wasn't too far off. It took us about 15 minutes to reach there.
We've reached the MIRJAN Fort.
Spread over an area of 4.1 acres located on the bank of river Aghanashni. The fort is believed to be a site for many past battles in 16th and 17th century and was functional in 1785.
It's so hard.
Well, that's all from my side. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share, and I'll see you on the other side.